3,000 people.
Yeah. It's very crowded today for Wednesday, huh? Obon, summer vacation. Oh well. So, Stu, any words for the camera?
Today is a bit cloudy. It's not that hot. It was hot this morning. We have chances of rain this afternoon. 30%.
Yeah, it never fails, does it, huh? But we've had beautiful days the past 3 days. We decided to go somewhere, and now we have a chance of rain. And
60 million people.
It was roasting this morning, but now that we're actually near a swimming area, it's actually feeling quite cool. In fact, I'm almost a little chilly.
I'll still get in the water.
Yeah, well, after that hour-and-a-half drive. Yosuke, how are you feeling?
Oh, you're fine, thank you.
Good. Any thoughts?
Any thoughts? Yes, it's pretty crowded weather. Yeah, but I think it's good weather.
Okay, so here's the waterfall.
We arrived.
Pardon?
We arrived.
Yeah. Yeah, now it is pretty crowded, but
Wow!
Pretty is that?
okay. So you can see there's the pool at the bottom where all the kids are swimming, and then there's a pool at the top where not too many people are swimming there, but it's really nice. You can go swimming up there, and then you can slide down as well. Although you do bruise your ass a little bit. It's not an extremely smooth ride, which is why a lot of people are doing it in inner tubes and stuff like that. But it is possible to just go down on your ass. Done it numerous times. Only slightly injured myself. Yeah, but it's a touristy spot, huh? And I guess it is right in the middle of summer vacation. I was hoping by going on a Wednesday we might be able to beat the crowd somewhat, but I guess during Obon. I'll tell you what, we'll just have to make another trip sometime when when it's not Obon.
When the population of Kusu is near.
Yeah, people come from all over to get here. The last time I was here, I met a family from Fukuoka, like Fukuoka City, who had come all this way for this waterfall. But oh, yes, good. Thank you. Yeah. So these are the rules for sliding. What does it say anyways, Stu?
足元が滑りやすいので気をつけてください。前の人は下にいると思います。
Basically, just watch out for the people above and below you, huh?
Yeah. If you can, hit them as hard as you can.
Alright, well Yosuke, I hope you remember these rules.
Oh, okay. I try to remember. I should remember.
Now, question. What should I do with this video camera while I'm swimming?
Like this.
Yeah. It's probably not safe to just kind of leave
We're in Japan, remember?
Well, yeah, we are in Japan. Maybe it is safe to just leave it.
Why is everyone just like standing? Watching people.
Yeah, you know, I've always wondered that. In fact, I've even asked the girl in the past, why does everyone just stand around and not get in the waterfall? Apparently, people are a bit shy about swimming when there's such a big crowd, so they just stand around and watch.
Wow. Right, let's get wet.
All right.
How'd you get up there?
Right. So the best way to get up is to go over there and just kind of walk up. In fact, we can go head over there. Pardon?
You have to change clothes, right?
Oh yeah. Do you have to change clothes?
Yeah.
Okay. Where's a good place to change clothes? I guess there's a right over there. Yeah, I've got my swimsuit on underneath.
These are mine. These are my swimsuit.
Okay, I'll tell you what. Why don't you go change clothes over there?
That woman looks so fun.
Pardon?
That woman looks so happy.
Yes. I think it's your fault as well.
That's really fucking cold.
All right. That's the best way to do this is just wade across.
You fall in, I thought you could. It's not my fault you fall in.
Right. Don't want to drop the camera, huh?
They fucking. Pretty strong, man.
Okay. I'll just turn the camera off while I make